sound boy, calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Again, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Jimmy Sequence. I'm on my way down to West Park to the Soundcheck warehouse. So it's my first time playing since we played in Clewiston, or since we got this Lifetime Achievement Award. So I'm gonna go down there. I just installed a bunch of new horns and stuff. I'm gonna go down to West Park and check out the sound, make sure everything is ready for the October 15th CVR showcase in West Palm Beach. Again, that's October 15th. 4 CVR, complete CVR sounds will be in West Palm Beach. So I'm gonna go and check out everything, make sure everything is good and in perfect working order. Seeing? So yeah, just leaving the house like 11:45, so we should be up and gunning within the hour. It's probably gonna take us about 30 minutes or a little bit more than that to get there. And the sound is already set, still it's just a matter of taking out the boxes and putting them up. So it's a 1, 2, 3 type of deal. Sounds already string up and thing. So once I get there, I'll show the process, some of the process of setting up, and then I will show you, the vibe as we play, because we're gonna be there till like 10 o'clock tonight, 9 or 10 tonight. So we're gonna, I'll show you some of the goings on as it happens. I'm sure there'll be a lot of DJs playing, but my Byron Sequence is going to be doing his thing as usual. I'm sure Dust Out will be there doing his thing, and anyone else that wants to play, I mean not anyone, but anyone of the people that I respect as actual DJs that wants to play will get the opportunity to play some tunes. So it's that type of vibe. It's just a fun vibe. Saying? Alright, so I'll see you guys when I get to the venue. Yeah, so now we're setting up. Not a little more than halfway with the boxes. So see the look, seeing? Yeah, that's the one up there, but it's just kind of overlapping on one there. This is okay. Yeah, that's fine because we have space. We have space in between. You can push it over a little bit. That's it. Yeah. Not really. All right, that's cool. Yo, where my black spray star? I should have some spray to spray them things. Thing look chip up. Yeah, that looks good. That's good. So you see the space here, Sean? Same space, like by Tesla. Yeah, that looks good. Well, right, put that one down to the end. Put that one down to the end. Yeah, all the way down to the end.
I'm on the edge. I'm gonna walk over.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, because I gotta hold the box together.
Take it more, Sean?
No, no, push it all the way over to the end.
Oh, to the end, to me.
Yeah. Pull it forward. Up here.
I see it there.
Yeah, that's good. So you see anything happening here again? All right. Yeah, that's good.
Keep pushing back some, though, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Right there.
Go back more.
Alright, good right there.
Let me pull it forward a little bit this way.
Yeah, put it when in front of some lower. One can be put up.
Yes, Sean?
About the sound. 6 across.
That's how we're bringing up the road. Just like this. Mm.
I don't know, bro.
Somebody else have to be up there though.
Next Mother's Day, me up my pump. I use my car.
You have a car song?
I'm fine, I'm okay, you so.
So your car song are the wickedest thing on earth?
Wickedest thing, man. I mean, Bojo, yeah, man.
You name Bojo, the wickedest thing on earth.
Yeah, man, yo. Nice. Let me say nice.
Yeah.
Nice, clean, everything, you know?
Mm.
Go ahead, hook it up. You know, I put one on the car.
Mm.
Light him up. See, I find some fish in there.
Flip, push in the bottom box so it don't go out like what happened there. Yeah. We can move that after. Just push that one over.
didn't want it to slide off of the box. Like that.
Yeah.
Bless up, greetings.
That's a roadie.
Manners.
Yeah. Push in the bottom one, Philip. Yeah. Push this thing over just a little. Push that over again. Push that in again. The box, the base box. Yeah.
Okay, this have to come back now. It have to come back now. No.
Yeah, Jerry, lift it up there, Bob. Who the bomb can't go lift it up there, Bob. You know, ordinary. You know.
Yeah, I never read this.
What's the difference?
Then we go in and make it ready.
What do you mean? That one?
Yeah, that one. When we go in and make it, that's what I'm
Check out basically high. High up to the top.
Country man, you know, that man come from Mucker, you know. Hey, that man come from Mucker, you know about sound. Bob come from Mucker, you know about sound.
Hey, that's ask question.
But you don't know the other man.
Yeah, you have to ask question. Push up.
When you buy the next one, then I'm just saying it. I think I don't know if I'm going to buy the next one. I'm not lighter.
Alright, push back some, push back. Alright, man, come down the truck, we're done.
No, we'll just jump it across and run. Sorry. Two double bass them a jump, right? Yeah,
Only them one have jump. No, just jump these. The
two double?
The two doubles are not jumping. Just the two single ones right here. A four is not being enough.
Jump to the mid.
So just jump them two back there across. So we just use one side of the arm.
One side I am, yeah?
Yeah, four. Just mid bass and jump like this. Not too long. There. Jump up once. Different. Roll it up. Roll it. I got it.
Better get down, we're ready to walk.
Which truck?
Ready to walk.
Which truck? Is that truck after the truck? Is that truck always stay right there?
No, we may have to. What the fuck are we going to take? You know, put them. I'm not the room. I'm not the room.
But that's what I can't even feel for it.
I'm not the room, so somebody not going to the phone. get the base out of the way first. Right. You know, see a base, I just base we have, and then we can go. Right. Bring it all the way in the shot. Bring it inside that way. Right.
Okay. You get some slack for it.
Right.
Each one.
Way better. You know, Jimmy, all the time you see that stacky box, you never leave no space between it. And the space between you know, look nice with the space between you know. Jimmy. Yes. Why did you get on this?
No, another one. The base. No matter. Maybe use the orange and you go some. Because the only thing that's different up there would be the 4, which is the mid-range. With these. I think it's right. Should take change the map one of these. Don't bring this in.
And I bring that other man.
Alright, so we're on the right. Then you remove the truck to the
One. Go, go. Bob. We have to take out them things and fast time on the road. You have to go some more, Philip. You have to go some more. We're going to drop down the thing and roll them out.
This should have to roll out. Well, that's how we get
Alright, come.
Alright.
Go!
Yeah. Can't tell. We gotta see if something's looking more charging instead.
No, man, I said the plug to the mixer, I'm not seeing.
You mean?
Man, I see the case, right?
Plug it in now.
We're ready for the war. I see the fear in all your eyes. I can smell the desperation. But we have that place, you know. Major laser sound, yes, I will rule the nation. Tonight the little jump and we'll die. Sound boy eradication. And it don't really matter what you try. Use this rhythm and make your sound be nice. But we have that place, you know. Make a laser sound, yes, I will rule the
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dank and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.